This is a video demonstration of the beta version of Sonitunes. Sonitunes was created by a student team at the University of North Carolina. The goal of the app is to create sonified lines to enable students with visual impairments to be able to find and follow digital lines, to create their own accessible digital lines, and then to apply these sonified lines to complete matching activities. Currently, there are 3 parts to Sonitunes: the tutorial, sandbox, and game. The tutorial is designed to teach students how to find the sonified lines and how to follow these digital lines. So on the home page, we have Sonitunes,
Settings,
a settings option in the top right-hand corner,
tutorial, button,
tutorial,
sandbox,
game, and games.
tutorial, button,
I'm going to open up tutorial.
tutorial,
On this screen, the tutorial page has a home button, a next button, and the sonified line or lines. Information about the line or the lines on each page will be added soon. Example, the first page would state 1 horizontal orange line. The second page might state 2 horizontal lines, a blue line and an orange line. Note, a different sound is associated with each color. All right, so on the first page, with my 1 horizontal line, I know to drag my finger down the left-hand side in order to find the line. The thunk, thunk, thunk tells me I'm in open space. There's my line. Now I can drag my finger down the line. If I go off the line, the sound stops. There's the line again, and I can drag my finger. For students that are visually impaired, I recommend that you use the thumb on the edge of the iPad in order to help find a straight line or keep your straight line. Okay, now I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn on the screen curtain.
screen curtain on,
So now my screen is dark, you can't see the lines. I'm going to go to the next page. The next button is in the top right.
next, button, next,
Now I'm going to draw my finger down. There's the empty space. There's the line. My finger's on the right-hand side, and the line is pulsing faster to tell me I'm on the right. And it slows down when I get to the left. I'm going to drag my finger down off the blue line. There's that alien sound again, so that tells me I'm on the orange line. If my finger goes off the line, then it's silent. There it is again. You can see it's important to have that information that there's 2 horizontal lines so I can find my line a little bit easier. That will be added. All right, let's turn the screen curtain back on so you can see it.
bottom and centered, full width of screen,
1, 2, 3.
screen curtain off,
There we go. Now, when I do draw my line, when I drag my finger across the line, if I drag up to find the buttons, voiceover focus is still on the line. You can see the bar around the orange line here, the voiceover focus. I have to lift my finger and then drag it again
next,
in order for the buttons to be activated. All right, so I'm going to turn the page.
next,
On this page, it would tell me 1 green vertical line. So now if I drag my finger down the left side, I'm not going to find it. I know on a vertical line, the easiest way to find it is to start on the left side, drag my finger right. There it is. Okay, I'm going to go to the next. This one's 2 parallel lines, a green one and an orange one. Let's go on down to the next one. Diagonals. So this is a purple diagonal line starting in the top left corner, going down to the bottom right. I'm going to start my finger about in the middle and drag down. Okay.
next, button, next,
This activity with 2 diagonal lines is a little bit more challenging because these particular lines are not parallel. So when you figure out the angle of the diagonal lines, which is more challenging than a vertical or a horizontal line, then your second one is a different angle. It makes it a little bit more challenging for kids. So sometimes I will put a wiki stick on top of the line to help the student figure out the diagonal as they're learning. So the wiki sticks are the little waxed like string, and they'll stick down to the iPad. Okay.
Next. Next.
All right, on this page we have, I wanted to teach the concept of length. So we have a 1/4 of the screen line and about a 1/2 of a screen line. So they are both parallel and they are horizontal. So that's as far as the purple line goes. And that's the length of the red line. So again, the red line, the second line, it goes 1/2 a screen. The purple is a 1/4 of a screen.
Next. Next. Dimmed.
This one has 2 other
Next.
lines.
Next. Dimmed.
And then dimmed means we're at the end. I did forget to say on the vertical lines that the sound at the pitch rises as you go high and it lowers as you go down. So you know when you have a line that it's vertical and it's at the top, when it gets as high as it'll go, and at the bottom is lower.